All right, everybody, check it out. We're back at it. We in the streets. We over here at where we at?
Oh, this is Mission Center Road in Mission Valley.
That's right. And we are at Kiko's.
This is Morisco's, right?
Kiko's Mariscos seafood. What is it? Food truck. And hey, we gonna eat like we usually do. We're gonna review and tell you what it really is.
Yeah.
Man.
So since this is street food, are you just gonna go with a traditional taco? Is that what you're gonna do?
I'ma see. I don't know. I might go traditional taco. I got a lot of people. I see a lot of people eating tacos. So
Can't go wrong with taco. We talking street food, but you know you might want to get provocative. I don't know. I'm gonna look at the menu and see what's good.
hey, check it out, man. We just ordered, and it's pretty cool, man. We get this little soup, like a consomme kind of seafood. Cheers, man. Let's see how it is.
Get my veggies for the day.
Hey, look, it's not super salty, not overpowering. Perfect. Just got our food, and let's show what we got, man. Let's show what we got. I got me. It's a seafood place, so I'm trying the Angus. See if the Angus is hitting. I got a fish taco, and I got a spicy shrimp taco right there. What'd you get?
So this is the spicy shrimp, and that's the OG fish taco. That's like their signature taco right there. The OG fish taco. They got that sprayed all over their truck and everything, so that's supposed to be the shit right there.
Yeah.
And it's really those.
Hold on, let me get in here real quick. Hold on, let me here.
That was pretty good right there.
This is a fish taco, man. Cheers,
baby.
Let's see. Hey man, I'll let y'all know if it sucks.
But it doesn't.
Like, this is good. This is good. Yeah. And I use this salsa. Okay, they have 3 different ones. This one. They got the little red one.
I mixed the red and the green.
Oh, you mix the red and green? I haven't tried this one yet. And they got this little, like juice. I throw some juice on them. Like a lime juice or something? I can't stop.
So those were good. One down, one to go. That, my friend, was good.
This is great.
You know, I must ask y'all, what you know about this? What you know about this? Nothing.
I'm going back in for this one. I like this one right here. Oh, but look, I gotta show him, man. I gotta show him too. I gotta show him. The shrimp.
That's a significant number of shrimps on there.
Yes.
And those are medium-sized shrimp. Those are 35, 40s, I believe.
You're right. There's a lot of shrimp in here. Some of the salsa. Kid crying. All right, man.
Speaking of shrimp, shout out to the WCC Posse, Wu Chi Chong. Y'all know who you are.
I even got something on my face. Hey, man. This shrimp has not been sitting there for a long time.
especially.
This fish is not be simple. This got fresh stuff.
It better be fresh if it's fish. If it's seafood, it better be fresh.
This is spicy shrimp. They got onions in
You got
it.
the spicy shrimp?
I got the shrimp. The spicy, yeah.
Is it spicy to you?
It's no. You know what? Good question. I'm not the biggest spicy. I want it super hot. No. And this right here, perfect heat. Perfect heat. Ooh, I even added some of this stuff on it.
Somebody's in love.
Hey man, you might have to come back. I'm gonna come back in this.
No, I'll come back.
Kiko, man, hey, Kiko.
That gets with anything like No Town or whatever, you know what I'm saying? That gets with any like brick and mortar restaurant that I've had before. You know what I'm saying? So
Oh yeah. No, yeah. You got a point.
I mean overall, other than I got a plate and I can walk down the street with this, man. I mean, this is just good food. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad it's. See, that's what I'm saying. That's one thing I like about these food trucks out here, man. They're for people, dog. They're for people, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They ain't out here just making some cool food on a truck, man. They out here for people. Everybody who's in this game, including your big brand name restaurants, your chain restaurants, your mom and pop. They out here throw their hat in the ring.
They got to, man. They got to. They're doing it right. And hold up. I got an extra thing though, man. I got that Angus steak because it's seafood, and if the Angus steak is good, I'm gonna throw this red sauce on this Angus steak.
Going to a seafood joint or the egg steak is like going to a Chinese restaurant and get the cheeseburger. You know, but hey, I guess if you can cook, right?
They got avocado on here. They got cheese, Angus.
I don't know about the avocado with the Angus.
It's you know, it's a mixture. It's a little mixture then.
Yeah.
What?
I'm just saying.
Yeah, taco shop.
Oh yeah. That's true. That. See, I'm forgetting. That's where guacamole comes from. Why you look like you want to smile? Dude, he's in love. He's in love. Look at him, man.
The other side?
All right, yeah, the other side. And the seafood joint trying the Angus beef.
Look.
That avocado, man, is fucking good.
That's fresh avocado.
I can't say nothing bad about it.
I can't say it's not.
That's interesting because all them flavors are real mild and shit. Like,
Yeah, that's what I was
it's
gonna
not
say.
like I was expecting like your typical beef taco where it hit you hard in a couple different areas. That got like layers, like depth of flavors, and they're all really mild, man.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
That's actually pretty. And then so now the avocado makes total sense with that.
It's got that texture.
Yep.
It's got that creamy texture. And if you love avocado, man, I love avocado.
I do too, man.
Hey, that was good. Hey, man, I'm gonna say, man, all in all, man, Kiko.
Oh, they on the list, man. I mean,
Kiko went up high on the list.
Put Kiko's in your rotation. If you're in Mission Valley, and you're looking for some food truck, not even food truck. If you're looking for some mariscos, some Mexican seafood, shit, shout him a holler, dog.
See you next time.